If I'm arrested in a self-defense incident, but found innocent, will I still have a record?
If you're arrested in a self-defense shooting and ultimately exonerated in that it was determined that you did act in self-defense and the case is dropped, for example, there's always going to be a record of your arrest. Now, you are not a convicted felon. You didn't go to court per se. You may even have a jury find you not guilty. But the record of your arrest will be there. Now, there are mechanisms in many states to have those records sealed or expunged if you are acquitted of a charge, but that varies from state to state. If you're arrested for using self-defense and it's turned out that you didn't do it, does anything happen to you and does anything happen to the police? I think what you're asking is, can you sue the police for arresting you when it was clear that you were not guilty? The answer is maybe. I know you hate to hear a lawyer say maybe. But absent a showing that the police were negligent in doing their duty, you're probably going to be pretty limited in your ability to sue them. If they acted reasonably on the information that they had at the time they placed you under arrest, and then you were later exonerated, you're probably not going to have too much to go forward on in suing the police, which is one great reason USCCA is so good, that you're not out any money either, because as a member of USCCA, your attorney's fees are covered, your bond money is covered, and really you're just along for the ride as far as financial expenditure goes if you're wrongfully accused of a crime.
If I was found to be justified for using self-defense, why am I still subject to civil litigation?
Just because you're justified or acquitted in using self-defense in a criminal situation doesn't mean necessarily that someone can't sue you civilly. There are two different standards of proof, two different courts, and different rules apply to each. Every state is different. Some states, like Florida, have statutes that actually prohibit people from suing you civilly if, in fact, you are justified in using self-defense, while other states allow it.